Hey guys, welcome back to our Monday accent training. In today's lesson, we are going to study a movie suit with analysis. So listen carefully to how I analyze the native speaker's speech that will help you understand better. So here you go. Enjoy watching it.
Rick Sorkin. Rick Sorkin. Rick Sorkin? Excuse me, Mr. Sorkin, you are 5 minutes late. Is there a reason why I should let you in?
Look, I'm just trying to ditch the cops, okay? I don't really care if you let me in or not.
Mr. Spector will be right with you.
What?
Can I get you anything? A coffee or just a bottle of water?
Alright guys, so here's our analysis about this movie suit. So she said she's calling Rick Sorkin, okay? So she really stresses the name Rick. Rick Sorkin. So here we have the schwa sound. It's not Sorkin, but it's Sorkin. Rick Sorkin. Another one, she said Rick Sorkin. So she really stresses the name Rick. And another schwa sound, Sorkin. Rick Sorkin. Excuse me, Mr. Sorkin. You are 5 minutes late. Is there a reason why I should let you in? So she really stresses the word excuse me, okay? Excuse me, Mr. Sorkin. And pauses here. And the reduction of you is yeah. And another one, the reduction of R, it's your. And she stresses the word 5, okay? 5 minutes late. Mr. Sorkin, excuse me, Mr. Sorkin. You're 5 minutes late. Is there a reason why I should let you in? Okay, so here, the S becomes Zizan is because followed by TH, voice consonants. Okay, so the is there a reason? And she stresses another word, reason. Is there a reason why I should let you in? So here we can drop the T when followed by Y, let you in, or we can also pronounce it into CH sound like let you in. Seems like here, met you. When the T followed by Y, we can pronounce it to CH sound, or we can drop this T and we can say meet you. Nice to meet you, or glad to meet you. Or if CH sound, we can say nice to meet you or glad to meet you. Okay, so there are two rules we can pronounce this one. But here she said let you in. Okay, so is there a reason why I should let you in? And then Mark said, look, I'm just trying to teach the cops, okay? I don't really care if you let me in or not. So here, another one, silent T, because followed by another consonant T, so we don't say just, but just simply just. I'm just trying. Another schwa sound of two is not two, but we pronounce it into schwa, ta. To teach the cops, okay? Look, I'm just trying to teach the cops, okay? Look, I'm just trying to teach the cops, okay? Ta sound. And here, I don't really, okay? So here, we don't, he said, I don't, no, okay? I don't, it's not don't, but it's the fluff, I mean the fluff, okay? I don't really, okay? So here, it's not really, okay? So it's really. I don't really care if you let me in or not. Okay, so here another one. The let me and the T silent because another followed by M consonant, so becomes let me. Okay, let me in or not. Let me in or not. Okay. So make it sound smooth and natural, okay? I don't really care if you let me in or not. I don't really care if you let me in or not. And then pauses here. And then she said, Mr. Spector will be right with you. Okay, the flatter sound here, but she stresses the word Mr. Spector will be right with you. What? He surprised, what? Because he was trying to skip the cops. And then he came this room. And so what? And then yes, this one, silent T. What? Can I get you anything, a coffee or a bottle of water? So we connect this one, N and I, can I. And letter K sound, can I. And another one, T followed by Y, we can pronounce it CH sound, get you, okay? Get you or get you, okay? So, but this one, she said, get you, okay? Get you. Can I get you anything, a coffee or a bottle of water? And she really stresses the word get, okay? Get you. Can I get you anything, a coffee or a bottle of water? So here, another one, she stresses the word coffee, okay? A coffee. Another one here, we link over an but becomes swa. Ora, okay, ora. And another flop T sound, the T becomes D some bottle of, and another schwa of, it's not off, but it's of. Ora, bottle of. Another flop T sound of water. Sorry, it's common, guys. We pronounce this one water. Usually American pronounce it water because the T between A and E vowels, so it's automatic to becomes flop T sound, so pronounce it into D sound. Alright? So one more time. Rick Sorkin. Excuse me, Mr. Sorkin. You're 5 minutes late. Is there a reason why I should let you in? Look, I'm just trying to teach the cops, okay? I don't really care if you let me in or not. Mr. Spector will be right with you. What? Can I get you anything, a coffee or a bottle of water? Alright, guys, so that's it for now. So I want you to practice many times. Try to listen and match exactly what you hear. So I hope this will be useful for you. And I look forward to seeing your tests, and I'll see you in the group. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.